Ja kumbobola. Ja kumbobola.
Budia.
Tomba bongo.
Mufinga mfundi.
Bananta.
Sumbulukata kumambende, oni samucha. Otubele, otukala. Ambe sumbulukata kumambende, oni samucha. Otubele, otukala. Wajabari
Maela kokele.
Walamba mwamba lamba ntoba.
Seba.
Watombolaka.
Seba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Seba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Bimba.
Na lamba mwamba lamba supwe.
Seba.
Na tombolaka.
Seba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Seba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Bimba.
Tomolotonda kundiri mwamba o. Yokela kanti ni ayokela yokele kanti ni ayokela
yokela kanti ni ayokela yokele kanti ni ayokele
sadila ntangu mufonda nsatunge mwana bakala ntangu ifueni katula mpwinya ja nsungma desiberi gagana ni hembiriki yao na ni hembiri yao kumaenda makuma londe kuluyete kuluyema ni kulufonda mwana fonda o na lamba mwamba lamba ntoba
Seba.
na tombolaka
Seba.
wafinga mfundi
Seba.
wafinga mfundi
Bimba.
na lamba mwamba lamba supwe
Seba.
na tombolaka
Seba.
wafinga mfundi
Seba.
wafinga mfundi
Bimba.
tomolotonda kundiri mwamba o Kiadi mwana bakala katula mpwinya ya tomba mbongo ya kiadi ya atak deba pula reke yokela kanti ni ayokela yokele kanti ni ayokela
yokela kanti ni ayokela yokele kanti ni ayokele
sadila ntangu atiri ntweni ange mwana bakala bala banduma bakwe kulombe mbongo sadila ntangu ifweni nge mwana bakala tomba mbongo bala banduma na mwabilesi bakwe kulombe mbongo sadila ntangu nge mwana bakala nsungma desiberi gagana ni hembiriki yao na hembiri yao nge mwana bakala fumbuka kutolo wa tomba mbongo nge lamba mwamba lamba ntoba
Seba.
na tombolaka
Seba.
wafinga mfundi
Seba.
wafinga mfundi
Bimba.
na lamba mwamba lamba supwe
Seba.
na tombolaka
Seba.
wafinga mfundi
Seba.
wafinga mfundi
Bimba.
Songi ambe nsonge la njila inilanda Munsongi
Songe la njila.
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 Chimao chinjenda Chimao chinazakala kulongo Gana bandu butabachikana kutela samu moshukwa unkwamisa ni wa mabuta kabu njisisansa bala choma mbukwamba kiri heka kulukwa shitaka kudema kako
Mwanangele kwa miezi maulini mega Alabaku bobo Alabaku bobo Alabaku bobo Mwanangele kwa miezi maulini mega Alabaku bobo Alabaku bobo Alabaku bobo
Munsongi
Songela njila
Munsongi
Songela njila
Munsongi
Songela njila
Munsongi
Songela njila
Munsongi Munsongi
Songela njila
Munsongi
Songela njila.
All right, hey, Ray, let me. My class is starting right now, man. All right,
Kulongo nkumbushitani yaita tumansangu munzo kani mwana mamba bambakila mbakiri mambu kani bala bandonga kwa bansukurila mbakiri mambu eka ni bala ni kipo ni longo ni biko ni bakala ni lando
Simaulini mega Alabaku bobo
Tokolonga Mon mère Rogatien Milor Garo Marca Mama C'est vrai, très souvent dans la vie nous vivons des situations difficiles et même compliquées. Toujours à la ligne d'attaque, en train de forger l'espoir perdu, sans ignorer les valeurs en nous. Motivés et déterminés, nous y arriverons certainement. Tant qu'il y a l'espoir, un jour la lumière apparaîtra. Hakuna Matata. Unissons-nous malgré nos divergences et ensemble. We are one, you and I. Let's stick together. Lego. Kolanda tenzela ya mabe malembe malembe tokukoma mokili tomni makamwebele ya sala na kimya eloko nyose koma kanangonga nango
Kiambote.
Kiambote.
Kiambote Nengwatadiwa. How are you?
I'm fine, Tatampan.
Yeah, good.
Na Kiambote.
Yeah, Kiambote. Let me greet the audience. Hello, if you are watching, this is Kikongo class. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom, spoken in Angola, Gabon, Congo Kinshasa, Congo Brazzaville. Tutondele. Kiambote tatale.
Kiambote tatampanzo.
Diambote kikilo. Ngizambote. Eunu sitamokena. Who is going to translate me? Nangotariwa. Over to you. Translation.
I'll let Nengwatadiwa translate.
Kizeko, Tatampan.
Oh, okay. Mokena, Moko talk, yeah. Sita Mokena. Mokena is the verb to talk, yeah.
Oh, that means today we're going to talk?
Yeah. We're not in England, we're not in America, we are in Banza, Congo, yeah. We are back home. Okay. Tutondele. Evoku visi diko yuvula. Visa, what does it mean? Visa. Bakisa or visa.
To add?
Understand, to understand.
Oh, to understand. Okay.
To understand. Okay. Lingala bagisa. Okay. Okay, visa. Okay. Tutondele. Tutonde kikilu. Mujambo endingeto. Tunaye vuvu. Endingeto kaivilako. Villa. How do you translate? Villa. To lose, no? To lose, yes. Okay, never mind. Don't be scared.
So do you mean, are you trying to say that we don't want to lose our language?
We want you will be there. We want to how do you say it? We will not lose it, yes? Of course. We will not lose it. We have to work, yeah. We have to do something, you know. Totally. Kiwakwe.
Yeah.
No, I'm saying kiwakwe.
Yeah.
Ingeta. Iwau, kiwakwe.
Oh, Iwau.
Yeah. Here's the teeth.
Yeah. No, you said, isn't it right? Yeah. Okay.
Kiwakwe, Iwau.
Iwau.
Okay. Emono munzila ngina. Munzila, nengo tadi, okay?
Yes, sorry,
Munzila ngina. Munzila ngina. Munzila ngina. You know your verb, munzila ngina. Munzila. Munzila is road, yeah? Munzila ngina. Ngina is a verb. Remember to tell him. When
I am
on the road, yeah.
I'm on the road.
Yes. Okay. On my way to the market, meet Nengo Teddy was coming from the other direction. I mean, opposite direction. To Wawane. Wawana is to meet. Yes, Wawana. Yes. To Wawane. Nengo Tediwa. Are you ready, Nengo Teddy? Now we will be talking, Nengo Teddy. Yes?
Hello.
No. English aside, yes. We are back to Congo Kingdom. Kiambote Nengwa.
Kiambote Tatampanzi.
Kunzeko, you don't know me.
Oh, okay.
Kiambote Nengwa.
Kiambote Tata.
Kumba kunani Nengwa.
Kumbwame Nengwa Tadiwa.
Diambote. Kweuzinganga.
Mono.
Make your life easy. Yeah? Make your life easy.
Okay.
That's the first thing. Remember your locative proposition. Yeah? As soon as you hear location, think about KU. Yeah? Totally, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes.
Don't worry. I mean, we are learning online. Some people learn like this. There are people watching. Some of them are learning, you know. So we just want to make it easy. Don't.
Okay.
When I say Kweuzinganga, you know that we're talking a location. Instinct, go straight to KU. It must be KU. Ku meaning Kweuzinganga Nengwa.
Kuzimbabwe Izinganga.
Diambo te. Kuzimbabwe Zinga. Okay. Ki uzolangadia. Zola, to love, to want, to. Yes. Dia is the verb. You know the key.
Okay.
Key. What is key? Key.
Key is what?
Yeah. Ki uzolanga. Remember, you is your
You,
second.
what you like. to eat.
Yes, what you like eat? Yeah, yeah. Kiuzolanga dia.
Izolanga dia.
Remember the rule. The rule. Just make it
Also,
easy. The rule. Go object first. Your verb. You know.
what?
You know. Let me just say something. Kikongo is the language. Language has never been simplified. Yes. Very, very hard to learn. For the native, of course, it's their language. Just speak it, yeah. But to teach Kikongo is very, very hard. Yes, because some people, I mean, to teach something is different from your stuff, but to teach it to someone that is not from Congo area, strangers, is not easy. So just that go straight to your object, pronoun, the verb, the last thing. Totally, are you comfortable? Yes, you know that, yeah. Object
Yeah.
first, yes.
Object
Object
first. Yeah.
first, object, your personal pronoun. In the middle, the last thing is your verb. What was the question? I've forgotten.
You said
What?
ki uzolanga dia.
Yes, we're talking about eating, yeah? So we're talking about food. Go straight to the object, the food, then kiuzolanga dia.
Saka izolanga dia.
Kivisidiko. Vova diaka. Vova diaka. Vova means speak, yeah?
Over to
To
speak.
speak.
not
Diaka
speak.
again. Diaka again,
Oh,
yeah? Vova diaka.
Nsaka.
Uh-huh.
Nsaka madesu.
Uh-huh.
Izolanga dia.
Yeah, well done. Tsakamadezo. So, Tsakamadezo. Yeah, Tsakamadezo. Okay, Tsaki, yeah? You know, Tsaki is, Tsaki mixture of Tsaki and beans. Oh, Diambo teki kilo. Uh-huh. Okay. Mbazi kwe ukwenda. Well done, yes.
Kubanza Congo. Isinga kwenda.
Okay, well done. Okay, Mbanza Congo isinga kwenda. Yes. Destiny, yeah. Mbanza Congo. Yes. Well done, yeah. Tutondele.
She looks like she's been practicing.
I was speaking to my grandmother, like, she only wants to speak in Kikongo. That's why I was like,
Tatale, you know what? You've been learning, Tatale. I did say that last time, yes? You've been learning. We have enough, Tatale, yes? Are you with me?
Yeah, no, we have enough.
We have enough.
She has more.
Okay, never mind.
Really.
Bravo. Congratulations, lady. Tell you. Okay. Nani na kumbu. Let me make it easier. Kumbu panya nkundi yako nani? Nkundi friends. Kumbu nkundi yako nani? Any names?
Fernanda. Lemba.
Okay.
How do you say the other part?
No, you don't need that. Yeah.
Oh, I said Fernanda Lemba.
Yeah.
Say,
you can add yeah. Yeah, Nzumba. Could say
Nzumba.
Kikango name.
Kundiame.
Akundiam.
Akundiam.
Okay. Kwe azingilanga. Azinganga. Well done. Always think about the K.
Kuharare Izingila.
Azinganga. We're learning variants, Mbanza Congo variants, because Azinganga, plural. Bazing, you could say ba, plural. A, plural as well. Yes. Certainly. Now we.
Oh, that was hard.
No, I'm going to talk to Totally. Then later, then I'm going to tell you you are going to talk Totally in Kikongo. You're meeting Totally. Yeah. Gambote, you don't know me. I don't know who you are. That. Tuwawane munanzila. Wawana, understand the verb? Wawana? Nengo tell you wawana.
You said one us to meet.
Yeah, wawana, yeah.
Or we are
Wawane
meeting.
munanzila. Yeah, okay. Kunzeyeko, huh? Nengo tell you, can you translate kunzeyeko?
Oh, I never met you before.
No. Kunze, KU. Remember KU, in this case, KU negative.
Oh, you never met me.
You have your negative, and U is your first, second singular. Kunzeyeko. Can you translate into English, please? Kunzeyeko.
Nzeye is what?
Zaya, to know, yeah?
To know, okay. I don't know you.
Yeah. Well done. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Kambo te tata.
Kembo de tata.
Kumba kunani tata.
Kumbwame Alain.
Tutondele. Don't you want to know my name? You asked me. Kunani, yeah.
Kumbwa kunani.
Yeah, you could say yenge tata kumba kunani. Okay. Sir, yeah, and you, sir, what is your name? Yes. Okay. Kumbwame tata panzu. Jambo de tatale. Kwa uzinganga. Everybody can see where you live.
Washington is
Izinganga. Yes, jambo te kikilu. Kimadia. Okay, let me make it harder. Kimadia uzolanga. Madia, remember, just eat.
Madia is to eat, yeah. What?
Madia is what? What is Madia then?
Food.
Well done, yes. Kimadia uzolanga. Remember, I'm using u for union, which is my second. I'm using a second singular person pronoun. Yes.
Okay.
Object first. Yeah, remember object first.
Yeah. My dezu.
Yes.
My dezu.
Well done. Izolanga. Yes.
Izolanga.
Yeah. Jambote kikilu. Kwe utakwenda.
Okay. Where am I going?
Kwe utakwenda. Yes. Yes. Well done. Yes.
Kuzandu.
Yeah. Okay.
Itakwenda.
Well done. Okay. Jambo teki kilu. Nki usumba. Sumba. Nemo teria sumba.
To buy?
Yeah, nki usumba. Remember, aquela, I want to say in Portuguese. Ki usumba. That you who I'm using is a personal pronoun. Yeah, remember? Second. I'm asking you, I'm talking to you, yeah? You, yeah? Then you remember your first person, yeah? Ki usumba. Object first, always. Any item.
Any item. I'm trying to think of an item.
Mbwenge.
Okay. Mbwenge.
Yeah, your pronoun. Yeah, well done. Sumba, yes, well done.
Is Sumba?
Yeah, well done. It's Sumba, yeah.
Sumba,
verb, yes. Oh, Jambote. Nkundi yako kumbwa ndi nani?
Can you repeat that?
Nkundi yako kumbwa ni nani? Nkundi is friend, yeah? Nkundi yako kumbwa ndi nani?
Okay, what's my friend's name?
Then you answer. Your answer is basically you just repeat what I've said. I mean, answering.
Okay. Michael Jackson. Okay.
Kumbu, yeah.
Kumbu. Kumbu.
His name, her name, yeah. Remember, Ame Akuandi. Kumbwame, Ame mine, yeah.
Okay. Kumbwandi.
Well done, Kumbwandi, so and so. Yeah, well done.
Kumbwandi. Bemba.
Yeah, well done. Wow, that's good. Now you're going to ask me questions, isn't it? It's okay, your turn.
What? My turn to ask you a question?
Yes, that.
I think so.
Okay. Tata. Nki.
Yes, well done, Key. Then you first, second singular, the pronoun, personal pronoun, yeah. Remember EUK.
Key. I just wrote it down. Key. Yeah, Key Uzol. Is it Uzolanga?
Yeah, Uzolanga. Yeah, like. Yeah.
Key Uzolanga. Dia.
Oh, Jambote. Yes. Taki Izolanga dia. Yengaita ki Uzolanga dia.
Izolanga.
Object first.
No, object. No, my. Is it my joke?
Madioko is cassava, yeah?
Yeah, Madioko.
Izolanga.
Izolanga.
Izolanga dia. Ah, well done.
Izolanga dia, yeah.
Tutundile. Ah, Nyambote. Okay. Wow. I'm going to do a translation. Wow.
Wow is like
Now.
right?
Wow,
Or
now. Now, yeah. Now means wow, now, yes. Now, you. Then what I do? Are you meeting Tatale? Yes. You don't know his name. Just meeting someone. Yes. Okay. Then what I do?
Kiambote tata.
Kiambote nengwa.
Kumbwa kunani.
Kumbwame Alain. Yengeye kumbwa kunani.
Yes, well done.
Kumbwame nengwa tajo.
Wow, yes.
Kwe uzinganga.
Yeah, well done.
Tata.
Izinganga.
Yes.
Washington Izinganga.
Yeah, well done. Yenge nengwa kuzinganga, yes.
Yeah, okay. Yenge, what? Yenge, kuzing.
Engeye nengwa.
Ngeye nengwa.
Yes. Where do you live? Yes.
Kuzinga.
Kwe.
Okay. Ngeye. Kwe uzinganga.
Yeah, well done. Yes, you're using a second pronoun.
Bulawayo izinganga.
Yes.
Nki uzolanga dia.
Well done.
Ki madia uzolanga, sorry.
Yeah. Well done.
Okay.
Object.
Mbwenge.
Yes. The verb. Zolanga, yes. Ki uzolanga dia.
Oh, okay.
Mbwenge.
Mbwenge. Izolanga dia.
Yeah, yes. Well done. Yes. Okay. Nengotario, could you have me use the can you use the kwe and nani? Yeah, Nengotario, please.
Kwe utakwenda.
Well done, yeah, yes.
Kuzandu itakwenda.
Yeah, well done.
Ki utasomba.
Ki usumba.
Ki usumba.
Let her use the singer auxiliary, yeah? Ki usinga sumba, yes.
Ki usinga sumba.
Yeah, well done. That time I use the auxiliary as well.
Okay.
Auxiliary, yes.
Okay, so
object,
it's object. Okay.
What
was it? Malavu. Malavu is
singer. Yes.
Malavu singer. Singer.
Yes.
Is Sumba.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well done. Yeah, bravo. You're doing well. Yes. Questions.
That was hard.
How do you feel that? Yeah.
That was
It was nice.
It was good. It was good.
You are brave people. You know the world is watching. You know they say, "Oh, this guys."
No, when you have to think faster, it's like you can't look at your notes. It's very hard to look at your notes.
Yeah. Okay, well done. Yeah, I mean you're there. You're not. I did tell that that Nengotadio, you're no longer beginners. Yeah, you're moving. Yeah. Oh, yeah. She's gone. Okay, let us go back to. Remember indicative that yes. I did send you notes, yeah.
Yeah, I saw that.
Was it helpful?
Yeah, I think the exceptions. I don't know if those are the exceptions are going to just be those quiza and quenda, or if
yes.
Are there other verbs that are exceptions? I'm sure there are.
For now, we stick to this. I'm not sure, but we stick with this one. Yes,
okay.
Okay, quenda, quiza, ignore. Nengotadio, are you there? Oh, sure. Okay.
She's muted. Yeah, she's muted.
Okay. Never mind. Okay. Yes. Vova is to speak. Totally. Oh, okay. Then what are you? Ndinga katu. Yeah.
I'm back.
Yeah. I've just sent you
The present
rules. Rules. Yes, because it's very, very hard. Present, perfect indicative. But I give you a clue. I mean, as long as you know, which is hard anyway, the first person, because there's no relation between the first person, the indicative verb, infinitive. Yes, totally, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Very hard. Mona used to see. Mona used to see, but the first person is hard. What is it?
Mwene.
Mbwene, yes. Long vowel, mbwene, yes. Mbwene. I think as long as you know the verb, infinitive, you should be okay. Yeah, when I say should be okay, there's a catch because the hardest bit is your first person. Yeah, are you with me?
Yeah, no, I'm with you. It's
yeah.
trying to put it all together.
Okay, let's go. Verb vova. Vova, mvovele. Yes. Okay, you carry on, Tatane. Should be obvious. Second, third, and so on.
Vova would be wow.
I don't know.
No, the rule is mvovele. Yes, the first. I mean,
that's what I'm trying to. Okay, the mvovele.
Yes.
So then it
the
will
second, and third, so on. You just drop the nasal M. Yes, carry on.
Okay, so if it's
Vovele, then carry on. Vovele, tu vovele, lu vovele, pa vovele.
Oh, okay.
Totally.
Well, okay, I didn't understand that.
Okay,
you want me to recite the first person?
All of them. The first person is me because the first person. Okay, if you can do it, bravo. The first person is the hardest bit. It's very hard.
Okay.
That's why I'm giving you a clue. Hint.
Yeah.
Vovele, me. Vovele. Vovele. I've spoken. Yes.
Okay. Vovele.
It's me, but not nasal, only first person, remember?
Yeah.
So okay. Carry on second, third, and third.
Second is vovele.
Yes.
Third is vovele.
Yes. The first plural.
First plural is.
You add your us, yes. We. You add your
two. No.
Yeah. Two vovele, yes.
Vovele. Lu vovele.
Yes. Bavovele.
And then bavovele.
Yes. You're talking Kikongo, bravo. I wish he was around. Okay, anyway.
It's a Tuluba, right? Tuluba.
Yes. I mean, the only, just the first singular is the hardest bit, yeah?
Yeah.
As long as you know, I give you a clue, you should be okay. Okay.
Yeah, no, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Then what I you verb dia, to eat, verb dia.
Okay, I know those.
Sorry.
Then it's D. Then it's DD again. And then it's 2DD. Lu DD.
Badidi. Make sure you pronounce correctly, because if you do, if you say Badidi, you're saying you are adamant. So Badidi. That's the only question. Are you okay?
Yeah, no, I'm okay.
Yes.
Okay. I see the pattern now. Okay. Yeah.
No.
Okay. So
Be the pet.
Yeah, you just drop your nasal. The nasal is M anyway. Yeah, remember?
well,
The
is it
nasal
M or N? Because
could be
it's
N M. It depends on letter. When you have
yeah.
there's a rule. K always N before K. Yeah, talking about
Yeah.
nasal. Yeah.
Mhm.
P. Let's say my name is Panzu. M always for nasal. Letters, names, words begin with K. We put N. Nkunga.
Kundi.
Kolo, I mean, so on. B, the nasal, you write M.
Oh, okay. B.
Bamvu, yeah.
B.
But
V.
yeah, these are the rules. But in practical term, I mean, in practice, it doesn't matter really, as long as it is a nasal. When you're talking, we don't care if it's N or M. Is it clear? Then what tell you?
But then what about words like Kanda, like the maternal lineage? There's no N before it.
No N. But letter or book, you have N. Nkanda.
And Kundi.
Kumbu name, yeah, N. Remember, we don't read the M or N. It is there for a nasal.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Tatale, over to you. Ndwini. So I'm using, I have to, let's say, quote unquote, I have to find a nasal. Ndwini, but this is the first singular. Second singular, don't worry about the nasal. You go back to think about the first letter of your verb. I'm saying ndwini, me, first singular. The second singular will be
Weenie.
Nwini, yes, Nwini, yes.
Nwini,
yeah, Nwini, yes.
Nwini. Third is
Nwini again.
Nwini.
Yes.
And then first plural is Dunwini.
Yes, Lunwini,
Nwini and Banwini.
Yes, because if you are comfortable with the present perfect indicative, in future you should be okay. Past, we don't live in the past. Don't worry about the past. Why am I saying that? Because according to me, one of the good books on Kikongo grammar, it was written, recently, 2 or 3 years ago. I did teach once on past, but I did ask another linguist. He said that we shouldn't do this in past, but this is the book written, someone wrote a book, see? So past, even among the linguists, they are not sure how to teach it. Are you with me?
But why is the past just, there's no rule? Do you mean like there's no set in stone rule? That's
no set. Yeah, you're right. No set in stone. Yeah, this is the good. This is it. Why? Because we have variants. Yeah, listen. We have variants. Let me just explain to you. I did ask the other, because on the book on the grammar written by Tata Kiala, he was talking about how to say in this past. In French, you say plus que parfait. Past. How to say? Let me just give an example. Past of the past, yes. You understand French, yes?
Yeah.
Yes.
Past perfect tense.
No, past hard. Yeah, totally, yes.
Yeah. No, I understand.
Past. But the other linguist was saying that no. In Kikongo, we don't have that. We should put in the context. We should put sentence like this. You understand that?
That's just to simplify it.
Sorry.
Is that is just to simplify it, right?
No, he was saying that we shouldn't translate it into European languages. Yes.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah, no, it makes sense.
Yeah, we have our own way of saying hard,
The
yes.
past.
Yeah.
But if you say it may be right, because the tendency is to copy paste of European languages. See,
Mm-hmm.
you stop thinking as a Mukongo. Yes.
Yeah, that's wrong.
So because of that, we're going there bit by bit, but we need to focus on present perfect tense. No, present perfect indicative. Future, of course, future, the keyword is your auxiliary, singer, yes? And the present, yes. Okay? Tell you. Okay.
I have a
Me.
question.
Go
I
ahead.
have a question. So Tata Mpanzo, like, are there other ways of saying how are you? Like, how are you in Kikongo? Because, like, I remembered when my mother was speaking to my grandmother, like, she would always say away instead of saying. Like, she would say Kiambote, but then she might say away.
No. This is the informal, yes? Just hello, hi.
Oh, that's
Yes?
informal. Okay.
Yeah. When I say how are you, formal, yeah? When I say hi, it's something. I mean something, huh? Yes, hi. Yes?
Yeah.
Away. I do translate it into English.
It's just another way of saying.
Yeah. Away, but we go for the formula. Away. Questions.
I don't have any questions. I think I'm gonna take today's lesson and try to improve.
Yeah, okay. We have 10 minutes. We are going to practice this one, the present perfect indicative, yes?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I'm up for it.
What is what? What does it mean? Why?
Oh, key.
No, what? The verb what?
It's to drink. No, it's not.
Noir is to drink. Noir is to drink. What is?
Kizeko.
Okay. Good answer. What? To listen, yes?
Listen.
To listen, yes. Noir to drink, wa to listen. Yes. Okay. Tatale. First person, Nguidi. I've heard. Yes? Nguidi. Nguidi. Yeah, I'm helping you. I'm trying to help. Carry on, yes? Nguidi.
Okay. Second person is. Is it Weedy?
Yeah, well done, yes.
Okay. Third person is Weedy.
Yeah.
First plural is Tweedy.
Tweedy, yes. Tweedy.
Yes. Second plural is Luidi.
Luidi. Make sure you pronounce
okay.
Luidi. Yeah, Luidi. Yeah.
Luidi. And then third plural is
Bawidi, yes.
Bawidi.
Yes, yeah. Never tell you. Are you guess? Bawidi. Mona. To see, yes. Okay. Now, I've just arrived. Yeah, totally. I'm at the home. You have just eaten. Then I'm asking you a question in Kikongo. Kididi. Remember the rule object first. When I say object first, rule object first, because we want to make it simple. You could put object after, but we just want to stick to this rule, yes? Then.
Okay.
Kididi.
Nguba Ndidi.
Bravo, yeah, well done, yes. I've eaten, yes, indeed, yes. Nengwatadiwa. You have just drunk. No, you're not drunk. No, don't. Okay. Nkinwini.
I forgot the name for it.
Nasal. Make sure that just remember it's a nasal. Try to nasal it. Nasal.
Okay, so
The first, yeah. Kinwini. What have you done?
I don't know. I don't even know that. Okay, is it Maza
Yeah, carry. Sorry?
Maza Nwini.
Say it again.
Maza Nwini.
We need nasal. Can you help us? It's nasal.
Okay, so I thought she just said it with the nasal, no?
No. Then what? Come again? Yes.
I said Maza Nwini.
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 Maza Nwini.
Yes, that's what I said. Nwini. Is it correct or is it wrong?
Maza ND, eh? Your nasal ND.
Oh, it's ND, so Maza Ndwini.
Yeah.
Doing it.
Yeah. Yeah, I've drunk, yeah.
What is Tatampanzu, what's the word for milk?
Kimvumina, yes.
Kimbumina. Yeah, that's the one.
Yes. Okay, Tatale. This one, okay. Let's try to. This one should be obvious. Kwenda and Kwiza, our first letter, we drop K. Don't worry about the K. Our first letter is W, yes? Yes. So I've gone. Tatale.
I know we've always done this one.
Yeah, Ngele, yeah, Ngele.
Ngele, yeah.
Ngele, yeah. Ngele, Muzila Ngele, yes. Okay, Kwiza, first nasal, Nengo tell you.
Is it Mwiza?
Nasal. First. Ngizidi. It's hard.
Ngizidi. Oh, yeah.
Ngizidi. Yeah, Ngizidi. Remember, we have Luaka. Luaka, Tata, remember Luaka? To arrive.
Wow.
I thought, okay.
Luaka. To arrive. Okay, can you try first person, Tata?
Luaka. I don't know. Is it what?
Always. I give you.
Drop the. I'm dropping.
You're giving me a nasal. No dropping. Give me a nasal. First person.
Is in Dua. Ndui.
ND. Ndweke.
Wow.
Different.
How do you go from Waka to Ndweke?
This is Gikanga. That's why you can understand when the other linguists say that we should not go copy paste model of European, because this is a language. See?
Yeah.
The only thing you should remember on past is person pronoun. Remember person pronoun for the past?
Is it Tuluba?
No, for the past verb in the past tense. I think last time you did say that we did talk about that. First person in the past. You remember the no change on the plural side, yeah? The first singular. Personal pronoun, your personal pronoun in the past. Ya, wa, ka.
That one I forgot.
No, you know that we did. You got your notes. You got
No,
notes.
it was on the table. It was on the
Yeah, don't worry about your notes. We want to. We
Okay.
need to keep using our head. Yeah.
Okay.
I could. Okay. Let's say I'm just going to give you a simple pass. We're going to stick to this simple pass. Yes.
Okay.
Ya kwenda kuna. Me. Yeah. Ya is me. Ya kwenda kuna. I went there. Yes. This is the past. Very past simple. Yes.
Yeah.
I went there. This we're just going to use the past, the simple past, yeah? Don't worry about the other past, yes?
Okay.
Ya kwenda kuna. I went there. Well, okay. I went there. Let's go. I went there, yes. English is a bit different compared to French. I have been there. In French, you don't say that. In Portuguese, you don't say that. I mean, you don't really say that. Okay. I went there. Ya kwenda kuna. Yeah, you got your verb and kuna, you know what you're talking. Yes, just he went there. Then what did you were?
So kakwenda.
Bravo. Kakwenda kuna. Totally, yeah, okay, yeah. Yeah. We went there. Totally.
Takwenda kuna.
Just do what you know. Just remember your plural. First plural. Just use
you said
Yeah, you're right, but you just use the full we in Kikongo. We.
Oh, instead of ta, I'm gonna say tu.
Yeah, I just want to say something. I want to explain to you. Just say it again. Yes. Tu kwenda kuna. Yes.
Tu kwenda kuna.
Yes, correct. It is correct, but you don't say it like this. Tu kwenda kuna. Yeah, totally. You say tu kwenda kuna, but it is tu kwenda kuna. Yes.
Oh, it's two.
Spoken language. Spoken,
Yeah.
you don't say tu, huh? But it is too hidden anyway. Tu kwenda kuna. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Totally.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Remember, any language, yeah, you have written and spoken. Yes.
Yeah.
You are correct in terms of grammar. You are correct.
No, so you said okay, it's hidden, so it should be
Tua kwenda kuna.
tua.
Lua kwenda kuna. Yes, but is T U? Huh? W is your U. Tu kwenda kuna. Tua kwenda kuna.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, yeah.
That's why it is hard if you're thinking in English or French, then try to translate in Kikongo. You just think Kikongo. This is how I would think.
Well, it's starting. Okay, I guess it makes sense.
Yeah, Twakwenda kuna. We went there. Okay, you people, you many. Let me tell you, you went there.
Is it Luak?
Yeah, Lwakwenda kuna. Yeah,
Lwakwenda
Lwakwenda kuna. Yeah. The last one, plural, third person, no change, yeah?
So just
Bakwenda kuna. Bakwenda kuna. Ba, just stick with ba.
Bakwenda
Kuna, yes.
Oh, so so for they, that doesn't change.
No change.
Okay.
We get there, sit down, bit by bit, yeah? We're scrolling, yeah, but we're moving. Yeah, Malembe. We're moving, yeah. Kewakwe.
Wow.
Yeah, peep and creep, yeah. Malembe, but we're moving. Past, just go for the thing to remember for the past is there is a change on your first on personal pronoun, yeah, the single. Plural, no change. I mean, we could say no change because we're keeping two luba, yes? Although we're using trois loi, yes? Still two luba. But the top singular, ya, wa, ka. Let me just try to find the verb. Sorry, darling. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yamona kiese. That's in translation.
Yeah.
Yamona kiese.
Or seeing good things.
Yeah,
right, things of joy. Things of joy. Things of joy.
Okay. Let me just try to explain again. I can't blame you. We Kikongo for feelings.
Oh yeah, you say happy. I'm feeling happy, right?
Yeah. For feeling, we use mona. We see.
Mona, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, this is our language. Yeah. I'm sad. You could say mbwene kiadi, yes?
Mbwene kiadi.
Mbwene kiadi.
Yeah.
You not sing sad. Are you with me? Yes.
Yeah, with me, yes? Yeah.
Feeling, we use Mpasi ita mona. Who can translate? Mpasi ita mona.
That means I'm going to see difficulties.
This translation. Remember, it is your present continuous. Pasi ita mona. Remember, mona is your feeling.
Difficult.
I'm feeling pain.
Yes, I'm suffering. Yes.
I'm suffering.
Yeah.
I'm suffering.
Just remember, mona could be used as your feeling. Nganzi ita mona. Nganzi. Remember that? Nganzi. Nganzi. Anger.
Ah, okay. Anger. Yeah.
Oh, I'm hungry.
Yes. Well done, you see. So remember, mona could be your. I mean, it is for feelings. Yes, you could say Ozira for feeling. Never mind. Well done, people. You done well. Yes. Then what I do? So next time we'll take a flight to Mbanza, yeah, totally, yeah.
Ingeta.
We fly to Mbanza. Question, totally.
No question. This was good. This was
Yeah, I mean we're done with notes. We have enough notes, yeah. Anyway, Kikongo language, we have all we need in terms of written grammar. We have I go when I prepare a lesson, I always go to the Bible. Kikongo spoken in Kikongo spoken in Mbanza Congo, yes? Good grammar. Because this is the only ancient book we have written in Kikongo. Understand, yes? The only one we have. Tutondele. No question, yes? Kyuvu question. Kyuvu means question. Kyuvu katu, yes?
Katu.
Ukatu Kyuvu katu. Tutondele. Okay. Thank you. You're doing well, yeah? I'm proud of you. Yeah? People are watching and saying, oh, these guys are very, very smart, yeah? Yeah. Just remember, we done, I mean, quote unquote, we're done with verbs in terms of understanding. We don't, the keyword for the past is just your singular bits part, just ya, wa, ka. The rest is tuluba. You understand? Twa, twa. The present, you good with present, then future, always use singer. Yes? Singer. Okay. Tutondele. Luenda Kiambote.
Msala
Kiambote.
Yo.
Timba. Kaimbe Temba. Ira. Papi Salomou, Willy Longa, les coordonnateurs, Père Mandela. Tony Massoudi, Ali Bokuma. Eric Wayeno. Dr. Nelson Kalaba. Sorry, Nicolo. Mamalandu. Magwar Kumpo. Philippe Kamango. Memba Masagila. Zozoru Kanu. Mutukuina yaya.
Politiza Keita Kulama
Saint-Jean Dodo na San Diego.
Eba kuzame ngai nange mola